Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a faithful bloom flower pot just with items from the Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. It's going to be fun. One look and I breathe. Picked up this flower vase with 6 holes. So it has 6 holes on it. And we are going to fill this square box with some beautiful white rocks. Then we are going to cut these flower petals, and then we're going to add some faith rocks and some love rocks as a little bit of inspiration for our faithful bloom arrangement. All of this cost me what I would say just under about $15. Now I think I bought too many flowers, but that's okay. We'll either take away or add some. We'll see what happens. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. This is going to be so exciting. The thing I'm going to do is you're just going to pop off the top. It just slides in. There's a groove here. So you're just going to pop that off, and we're going to lay this aside. Then you're going to take any rock that you like. I picked these stone decorative pieces. So we're just going to line the bottom of this clear box with as many blocks as you like. Now I use the whole package, and the reason why I use the whole package is because we want our flower stems to stick in there as neatly as possible. And so the more rocks that you put in, the more it's going to keep the stems as steady as possible. And if you haven't checked out my prayer box video, I suggest you check it out here that I will post on the screen. So we're going to take these 2 rocks. I picked love and faith. They have dream, they have hope, they have inspiration. They have so many different rocks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one of my rocks on each side. So I'm going to put love there, and then I'm going to put faith here. Now you can place it anywhere that you think it makes good sense for you. And you might need to move your rocks around a bit just so that you can get a nice little groove in. You get a nice little groove in there and let it sit there nicely, just like that. Okay. And then just put the rocks back a bit to let it sit there a little bit steady. Now I'm going to slide my cover back in. Okay, secure it. And now we're going to get to the fun part. We're going to start adding our flowers. So we're going to take our flowers and we're going to cut them to a desired length because, you know, this is a bit, in my opinion, too high. So I'm probably going to cut it just a little bit lower, and then we're going to piece them all in. Okay, and then I'm going to take another piece and I'm probably going to put it here. Okay. look at this beautiful, what I call a faithful bloom flower pot. Now, this was inspired by another video that I have recently seen, but you can do anything. You can use fresh flowers, you can fill up the planter with water, and you can still add your rocks if you want to add a little element of flair and chic. Now, as you begin to know me a little bit more, I love to add essential oil scents and mists to my fake flowers so that when I walk past them in any room that I place them, I get an aura, I get the scent of whether it's eucalyptus, peppermint, sage, cinnamon, orange, whatever your heart's desire. But make your little essential oil mix. It's just a little bit of water and your favorite essential oils. You mix them all together and then you just do a little bit of spritz. Trust me, this in your washroom is also amazing when you walk in there. That beauty of that scent and the way that it just presents itself in your washroom. This is a beautiful item that you can add to your home and also give as a wonderful gift idea. So if you really enjoyed watching this video, I would be so grateful if you hit that subscribe button below and also leave me a comment and let me know of other operational ideas that you have.